How to delete multiple chats in WhatsApp. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete multiple chats in WhatsApp at once to clean up your chat list and free up space. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. On iPhone, you can download it from App Store, and for Android users, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now go to the chat section from the bottom. Then on Android, long press on the first chat, then tap the select others you want to delete. On iPhone, tap edit at the top left corner. Then tap on select the chats you want to delete. Now tap the trash icon or delete option. You'll get a confirmation asking if you want to delete all selected chats. Tap delete to confirm. Remember that this removes the chat from your chat list. If you just want to clear messages but keep the chat, use the clear chat option instead. And that's it. The selected chats are now deleted from your WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.